Kofu Factory, located in the Yamanashi Prefectural Machinery and Metal Industry Complex. Takeda Shrine is in the vicinity, which enshrines Shingen Takeda. The specialty of the Kofu Factory is it supports tin reflow hoop plating and hexavalent chromate treatment. A hoop line capable of nickel tin reflow plating and nickel, gold, and tin copper alloy plating. Zinc hexavalent OD color chromate compatible line for the Ministry of Defense. We have automatic machines for rack method and barrel method for each plating type. We offer better quality through an inspection system to provide non-defective products to our customers. Plating Solution Analysis (ICP) that enables in-house plating solution management. Kofu will propose the optimum plating by making the best use of these characteristics.